Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into booking.com as a host. Well, you're gonna need another app called Pulse for booking.com. All you have to go is go to Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and look for this specific app called Pulse for booking.com. Now, once you do that, open the app. Then wait a few seconds. Now on your screen you can see sign in option. Tap on it and select continue. Give your email ID and password, then tap on sign in. Now they're gonna ask you to select a verification method to complete the sign in process. Select the method of verification, then ask them to send the code. Once you get the code, type it in, then tap on verify now. And guys, that's it. That's how you log into booking.com as a host. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.